Hope I don't trip. We're on our way to an appointment. I'll fill you in once we get there. Sure glad to see you're back. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? Yeah, I know. Grizz is having a rough time. His mom just left the car to go in for a doctor's appointment. And he's not real happy about it.
Mommy! Mom!
He'd much rather have his pack all together right here in the car with him. Makes him nervous and bothered. He's a very good little boy. So we're in Scottsdale right now, and we're taking care of some of Shelley's doctor's appointments to get them out of the way. It's just preventative maintenance, kind of like we're doing to the RV, trying to keep everything fit and ready to go for our next big adventure. I did want to mention that we have gotten the tire situation for the one tire that we were having an issue with, one tire, that we had contacted Discount. They had ordered us a brand new Carlisle tire, and we were working with our third-party insurance to get everything taken care of. There were a few things that they needed. Nothing bad, but it just seemed to take a little bit of time to get the pictures that they needed of the damage to the tire that we had, and the reasons the Discount wouldn't repair it so that they could replace it. Once they had all of the pictures, they were fine with replacing the tire. Discount called them, let them know what was going on. They went ahead and are in the process of cutting a check. Well, we assume they are. We filled out the proper paperwork as far as Discount is concerned, got their receipt for what we needed, and we went ahead and have just got through emailing that to our third-party insurance. The only thing that's difficult about it is that if you're on a tight budget, the money comes out of your pocket first, and then they reimburse you for it. So one of the things that I kind of mentioned in one of our previous videos was that really disheartening. RV manufacturers, or maybe it's the dealers, I'm not sure which, when the tires that are put on the rig are initially there from the factory, they very rarely, if ever at all, actually balance those tires. Now, if you've ever driven down the road with a tire that's out of balance, you know it instantly. Once you get up to a little bit of speed, that thing feels like it's going to rattle your teeth completely loose. We removed the spare and threw it in the back of the truck, thanks to the help of one of our fellow RVers. Then took them down to the tire store to pick up the new one, crash the old, and mount and balance the pair.
Thank you so much.
Then back to the RV to reinstall the mag and its new tire. That's the matching spare that came with the rig. And tuck the new spare back up under the RV, hoping we don't have to use it, but glad it's there. Now, I know some folks swear by having two spares on their RV, just in case, but we've done well with the one that we have and don't really want to carry the extra weight around. Man, those things are heavy. I'm guessing about 60 or 70 pounds each. Well, I've checked all the tires on our fifth wheel, and large, heavy-duty tires, but none of them have been balanced, not even the spare. One of the good things about using a national chain tire company is that's part of their service. So Discount balanced the new tire that we had put on our steel rim, so it will be the reserve, and to keep similar tires and sizes all the way around on our fifth wheel, we went ahead and made sure that we put the new spare that came with the RV on to replace the tire that was damaged. So that way we've got all Westlake tires that we were originally using, and it doesn't look quite as odd on all of the mags that are on the rig. So that one being in balance isn't going to make a big difference, but one of the next things we're going to do before we make a big move,
you silly hack,
and after we get the suspension fixed, is to have all of the tires inspected carefully and have them balanced as well. What do you think? Is that worth doing? Is that worth doing? Yeah, I think so. Grizz concurs. So let's see what happens. Maybe with any luck, everything will get taken care of. And like I said before, the only thing we're waiting on is for fuel prices to come down. Oh my gosh, it's just unbelievable. Well, like I said, it does give us a chance to get everything repaired that we need to on the rig and get everything back up to snuff before we even think about getting on some of these horrible roads that we've been on. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's kind of a short video, but at least it lets you know what's happening. It was entertaining watching the young guys that were working on those tires, which are 14 plies, try to muscle them around, and they're really stiff, so it's awful hard to bust them off the rims. It took a little effort and a few extra guys to get the work done. You can watch that in some of the video we'll play right here. Thanks guys, appreciate it. And remember, while you're out there on the road, please, travel safe. See you guys again next week? Sure hope so. Bye. You gonna say bye, Grizz? Hey Grizz, you gonna say goodbye? Nope, just looking for Mom. Thanks guys.